Welcome to Textile Technology Channel. Most common types of pockets in the garments industry. Patch pocket. Pocket stitched directly on top of the garment. Simple and cost-effective. Common in shirts, trousers, jackets, kids wear. Welt pocket thin. Clean-looking pocket with a welt fabric strip at the opening. Used for formal trousers, blazers, coats. Single welt pocket. One welt visible on the outside. Located mainly on back of trousers. Double welt pocket, two welts at the opening. Looks more premium. Used in suits, formal wear. Flap pocket pocket, with the top flap covering the opening. Found in jackets, coats, blazers. Side seam pocket, or inseam pocket, hidden inside the side seam of the garment. Used mostly in pants, joggers, frocks, skirts. Slant pocket / cross pocket pocket opening is slanted for easy access. Common in chinos, jeans, trousers. Jean pocket, front pocket. Classic curved pocket style used in denim jeans. Often includes coin pocket inside. Coin pocket, or watch pocket, small pocket inside the front pocket of jeans. Kangaroo pocket, large front pocket with two side openings. Very common in hoodies and sweatshirts. Cargo pocket, large, expandable patch pocket with flap. Used in cargo pants, military wear, workwear. Bound pocket, fabric edges are bound for a neat finish. Used in women's wear and lightweight garments. Inside pocket, hidden pocket inside jackets, blazers. Zipper pocket pocket, secured with a zipper for safety. Used in sportswear, outerwear, travel garments. Bellows pocket expands to hold more items. Seen in safari jackets, cargo wear. Curved pocket, stylish curved opening. Common in ladies' wear. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.